Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of RC Classic Garage. In today's episode, I would like to discuss carburetor air leaks, typically known as vacuum leaks, and can be one of the most baffling repair problems to solve. Air intake leaks around the carburetor often goes undetected because another system usually gets blamed for the issue. People often think it's an ignition system problem that causes the symptoms. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to look for vacuum and air leaks, because if correctly detected at the beginning could avoid costly repairs which are not needed. This 1750 has twin Weber carburetors and is heavy on fuel and fouls up 2 plugs every 200 kilometers or so. I've done a compression test and my compression is fine. When I was balancing the carbs, I tried to adjust the idle mixture adjustment and it refused to affect the idle speed as it should. So I suspect an air leakage, which is causing the car to run rich and foul up the plugs and be heavy on fuel. So when your car has run up to warm temperature, take some carb cleaner and then spray the carb cleaner along where you suspect you may have an air leak. And there we go. If the idle speed drops as that one did, we have an air leak. As suspected, there's an air leak along the rubbers. So we check it one more time. Car is idling. We'll spray the carb cleaner where we suspect the air leak. And there we go. So we definitely have an air leak along there. So this car definitely has an air leak around those carbs. And an air leak, as I said, can cause many issues. It can be rough idling and stalling, engine hesitation, engine misses upon acceleration, and if incorrectly detected, could cause costly repairs which are not needed. So always do this simple test first to see if you have an air leak. Thanks all for watching another episode of RC Classic Garage. Please join me on the next episode where I'll be removing these carburetors and fixing that air leak, which will hopefully resolve my issue of running rich and fouling up plugs.